Okay. Out doing a test ride near Wellington Lake here, outside Bailey, Colorado. My hometown, doing a local ride. Just testing the bike, setup, camera mounts. Trying to dial in my position because in just under a month now, or just over a month, I'm going to be heading to Canada and doing the northern part of the DDMBR, riding from Banff back to Bailey. It's going to be fun and challenging. And I'm really looking forward to it. A little nervous too. So let's see how the bike and stuff does here on this. Nice cruisy bit of gravel road. Coming up to the top of Buck Creek here to the left. This loop kind of skirts Buffalo Creek. I'll be kind of circling the whole area on this ride. Nice mountain bikey place to go. It's good gravel too. The section I'll be doing is between 1,800 and 1,900 miles from Banff back to Bailey, depending on side ventures. But it'll be fun. Coming up right through the middle of Buck Creek on 543 instead of starting up. We'll hop back on the gravel road and head back to Bailey. some elk. Never seen elk back here before. Go. Cool.